So I just briefly wanted to show you how to deploy a contract to the Ethereum blockchain that utilizes libraries using the EthTools.com submit a contract functionality. I've got loaded up here a blog post by George of the Aragon team entitled Library Driven Development in Solidity. It's an interesting post, well worth a read. What I'm going to do though is I'm just going to scroll down to this very basic contract implementation where he defines a library C and defines a contract A which utilizes that library. I'm going to copy that code and I'm going to head over to the ethtools.com submit a contract functionality. I'm going to enter that code here. I'm going to use the most recent compiler and I'm going to click compile source code. I will wait whilst that compiles. And then you will see this page. Now, here we could select which contract we want to deploy. You have a choice of A or C. Now, I've already forgotten which is which. C is the library and A is the contract. So we want to deploy the contract. As you can see, when you scroll down, it gives you an option to enter the address where the library can be found. What that means is that the contractor needs to know where you have deployed the library so that it can utilize it. So I have already deployed the library and let's try that again. I have now grabbed the address of the library. I'm going to enter it there. I'm going to click set library addresses. If I want to, I can edit that if I made an error, but because I haven't, I will simply click confirm. I scroll up. At this point, it asks me to select a wallet, and then I go through the normal process of deploying the contract. This is outlined in a different video. So yeah, this was just to show you how the interface differs when you're using libraries, and the simple explanation of it is when you use libraries, you get additional options to input the addresses where those libraries have been deployed previously.